If my husband had ever tried any of these lines on me, I would have bashed his teeth in. Nakanunok ka ba ng kwitis? Kasi pag ngumiti ka, may spark. This is what Dr. Bienvenido Cabral said to Dr. Esperanza Cabral when they were both students in the UP College of Medicine. Sana ikaw ang cardiologist ko para ikaw ang mag-aalaga sa puso ko. Sana scientist ako para ikaw naman ang lab ko. Tindera ka ba ng Yossi? Kasi you give me hope. Kasi you give me hope and more. Para kang cactus, kasi handa akong masaktan, mayakap ka lang. Pag wala ka, ang buhay ko parang lapis na hindi pa natatasa.